Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app is updated and you're signed in. Open the profile or settings area now. Don't stall, tap the avatar or edit button. Once there, choose the change photo control and decide whether to upload, take a new picture, or import from cloud. Make sure the image meets size and aspect requirements so the app won't crop unexpectedly. If you must, quickly crop to a square or 16:9 ratio before uploading to save time and preserve composition. Now you proceed to the core steps. Pick upload or use the camera and grant permissions if asked. Once the image loads, use the app's crop and alignment tools, pinch to zoom and drag to frame the subject precisely. After cropping, choose the quality option. Higher quality keeps detail but uses more bandwidth. Tap Save or Apply and wait for the server acknowledgement. If the change seems delayed, refresh the profile view and verify the thumbnail updated versus the old cached image. Finish by verifying the new picture appears across the app, profile page, comments, and lists. Once done, clear the app cache or force reload the interface if the old image still shows. Signing out and back enforces a fresh sync. If problems persist, check file type, size limits, and your network connection. Compress to a smaller file or switch networks, then retry. If you hit permission or server errors, note the error text and contact support with that detail so they can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.